It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really excited to share this great feedback with everyone. We do our very best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone new and old and treat them equally with great service. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.